A computing student with a keen interest on weapons planted a homemade bomb filled with ball bearings on the London Underground, causing a major security alert last October, a jury has heard. The court heard he had an interest in Islam, guns and gambling, and collected pictures of extremists, including the alleged mastermind of the 2015 Paris terror attacks. After he was arrested, Damon Smith, 20, who has Asperger's syndrome, said the device was intended to work as a smoke bomb and had been left as a prank. Smith, who was 19 at the time of the incident, is on trial at the Old Bailey charged with possession of an explosive substance with intent, contrary to the Explosive Substances Act 1883. He denies the charge but has admitted the lesser offense of perpetrating a bomb hoax. Prosecutor Jonathan Rees QC told the court at the opening of the trial on Wednesday, Smith intended to build a real bomb, which he intended would explode and endanger the lives of those traveling on the tube train or, at the very least, cause serious damage to the train itself. On 20 October last year, CCTV footage showed Smith had left the bag on the Jubilee Line tube when he got off at London Bridge at 10:49 am. The CCTV shows that there were at least 10 passengers traveling in the train, Rees said. Smith then headed to Holloway, where he had started a degree in computer forensics at London Metropolitan University a few weeks before. Passengers spotted the backpack shortly before 1 am and alerted the driver, Adrian Clark, who first thought the bag was lost property and took it into the cabin with him. Clark looked inside again on his way to North Greenwich Station, and saw wires protruding from the back of a clock, so he raised the alarm. When the train arrived at North Greenwich Station at 10:56 am, it and the station were evacuated. The device was set to go off at about 11:02 am. Had the device worked, it seems it would have gone off while passengers were being ordered off the platform, Rees said. The device had a quantity of ball bearings, which the prosecution allege had been included to act as shrapnel so as to increase the destructive effect of the device, Rees said. Smith had a keen interest in guns and other weapons, the prosecution alleges. This particular interest may have been a function of his autism spectrum disorder, Rees said. Police found a blank firing self-loading pistol and a BB gun shaped like a revolver in his London home, both of which he legally owned, as well as a Mustang knife and a knuckle duster. Smith had posted videos of himself online with his replica pistol and knife, and had liked other videos of explosives on social media. He had also searched for a copy of the ISIS magazine Dabiq, and had saved photos of Abdelhamid Abaoud, the Belgian-born jihadi who is believed to have masterminded the November 2015 Paris attacks, Rees told the jury. During a search of his home, police found shredded documents that, when reconstructed, were found to be an article from the Al-Qaeda in the Arabian Peninsula magazine, headlined, "Make a Bomb in the Kitchen of Your Mom," showing how to create an ID from everyday items. The article had annotations that the prosecution alleges were in Smith's handwriting. An iPad mini he told police he shared with his mother had a note titled "Pressure Cooker Bomb Materials," dated a month. The incident. The case continues.